Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious crab enchiladas. First, gather your fresh crab meat, soft tortillas, and dairy ingredients like cream cheese and sour cream. Next, prepare your rich, creamy sauce, adding a touch of spice for that perfect kick. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your enchiladas bake evenly and beautifully, ready for a fantastic meal. Now let's create that amazing filling. Gently combine your succulent crab meat with softened cream cheese, diced green chilies, and your favorite seasonings. Warm your tortillas slightly. This makes them pliable and prevents any tearing when you roll them. Then, spoon a generous amount of the crab mixture into the center of each tortilla, rolling them up tightly. This step is key for perfectly formed enchiladas. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And on another note, if you're looking to manage your money better so you can afford more delicious meals like these crab enchiladas, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your enchiladas rolled, it's time for the oven. Arrange them neatly in a baking dish, making sure the seam side is facing down. Now, pour that delicious, creamy sauce evenly over all the enchiladas, ensuring everyone is coated. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are bubbly and beautifully golden brown. Serve them hot, perhaps with a dollop of sour cream and fresh cilantro.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.